In a previous video, you learned how to glean insight into the biblical text by applying filters in the Bible browser. The Concordance tool provides numerous ways to sort and filter the data in a particular resource, allowing you to view quantifiable statistics for words in that resource. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Concordance tool to access biblical data using this perspective. Open the Concordance tool from the Tools menu by entering Concordance in the search bar. The first time you use this tool with a resource, it will take some time to load. However, Logos caches the analysis and subsequent use is much faster. The default setting displays all the words in your preferred Bible with the most common words listed first. The navigation pane on the left-hand side allows you to select filters to narrow the list. Selecting Bible text filters out words from the footnotes or translator's notes. The Concordance tool is a helpful way to view the most commonly occurring words in a resource. Click All Passages and enter Luke in the new reference range. You can now browse the list of words to discover noteworthy patterns. The episode we've been looking at occurred in Nazareth. A simple search locates all the instances of Nazareth. However, with the Concordance tool, you can see how the number of occurrences of Nazareth compares to other locations in Luke. Expand the drop-down menu and select Biblical Entity, then select Place. This shows you that, next to Jerusalem, Nazareth occurs more than any other named location. As Jesus' hometown, this is not surprising. But how does this compare to the other synoptic Gospels? Duplicate the panel and adjust the range to Matthew and Mark. Then select Place. You can quickly see that Luke uses Nazareth more than Matthew and Mark combined. Darrell Bach has said that Luke builds his portrait of Christ from the earth upwards. Does this account for his use of Nazareth? The significance of this finding needs further study and reflection, but Logos has given us a data point to connect the research. In addition to the biblical text, the Concordance tool can be used with other Logos resources. Open the Tyndale commentary on Luke by clicking the Bible version and entering TNTC Luke. Expand the Word drop-down menu and select Reference. This allows you to see all the original sources referenced in the commentary. In Luke 4, Jesus cites Elijah and Elisha's ministry from 1st and 2nd Kings. Expand the Bible section and scroll down to 2 Kings to see other places the commentary references this book of the Bible. Leon Morris sees another connection to Elijah and Elisha's ministry in Nain, where Jesus raised the widow's son. This tool also shows you which author is cited most frequently. Expand the reference heading and select Works Cited. With the Concordance tool, you have the ability to browse your resources for information you might not have thought to search for, and it can help you put your search results in the context of a pericope, book, or other section of Scripture. In our final video, we'll look at using other supplementary resources like lexicons and dictionaries.